Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to help you decide which pie dishes to buy today. Don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mention are in the description down below. Pie dishes are essential in baking a great pie, which is why it's important to choose the right one for the job. A good pie dish allows you to bake the pie in the precise recipe time, coming out of the oven with an evenly browned top and a crispy bottom crust. A proper pie dish will allow this delicious treat to be easily lifted right out of the pan. Our team has compiled this top 5 dishes for you to achieve all of that. This list has been prepared for you through comprehensive research. The pie dishes that we have selected have been chosen based on product features, review in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the number 1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The pie dish coming in at number 5 on our list is the HOMOW non-stick heavy-duty tart pan with removable bottom. As we all know, pies are usually served directly from their pan. Tarts, on the other hand, are removed from their pans before they're plated and served. This is where the HOMOW non-stick heavy-duty tart pan comes into play. While flipping a pie out of a tart pan would be virtually impossible, this tart pan is made of 2 parts that our team at In the Kitchen tested. We just push the bottom portion of the pan upwards while the entire tart pops out of the pan's ring without leaving any pie crust stuck to the sides. This made our overall pie making process a lot smoother and allowed our team to cool the pie properly right out of the pan. We were then able to slide it onto a plate to be admired from all angles. Sliding the pastries was exceptionally easy because of the high carbon steel material and its durable Whitford non-stick coating. In addition, the item was also dishwasher safe, saving us from time to hand wash it after the use. In terms of size, our team at In the Kitchen would like to highlight its higher depth that allowed more creative options for whatever you prefer to bake. All in all, this pan made baking tarts exceptionally easy. Its high quality material made it a worthwhile investment along with its extremely affordable price. This would be a great choice for beginners and experienced individuals alike, which is why our team at In the Kitchen decided to place it at number 5. The pie dish coming in at number 4 on our list is the Creo SmartGlass pie plate. While being relatively new to the marketplace, this pie plate was designed with the aim of combining the best features of both glass pie pans and ceramic pans. When tested, our team agreed that it did in fact succeed in doing so. While it is light and pleasant to the touch, this pan has an extra durable borosilicate glass interior, which means that the glass will never crack under extreme temperature as opposed to regular glass. In addition, borosilicate glass is widely used in other high-end glass products, which our team believes is a remarkable feature for this pan. The pan is heat resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and is highly resistant to thermal shock. It also features a stylish ceramic exterior in a wide variety of pretty matte hues. Its borosilicate glass interior, matched with its fashy exterior, results in a plate with the consistently excellent heat conduction of Pyrex and the stylish looks of cookware such as Le Creuset and Emile Henry. Our team at In the Kitchen tested out its ability to bake and it delivered excellent results. Baking blind baked crusts turned out golden, shatteringly crisp and never stuck to the pan, while the pumpkin pies were baked up creamy and with no soggy bottom. Our team suggests that if you don't mind a little extra on this pan, it would prove to be a great addition to your cookware. Its unique design and high quality properties make it absolutely worth buying, earning its place at number 4 on our list. The pie dish coming in at number 3 on our list is the USA Pan 9-inch pie pan. Whether you want a favorite pie bursting with fruit or something that contains a smooth and creamy custard, the USA 9-inch pan is definitely a good all-around choice. During our team's testing phase, we found the pan to deliver a well-browned flaky crust and a perfectly cooked filling. Its heft and thickness translated into great browning for the bottom crust. The team commends its non-stick finish that allowed us to remove the whole pie without sticking. It is made of aluminized steel that is commercial grade and heavy gauge, which gives it high thermal conductivity, quality and durability. It also has a nice weight to it and is corrugated at the bottom for optimal air circulation. This adds to its ability to bake pies evenly and allows quick release from the pan. Its surface has a silicone non-stick finish that gave our team the convenience to easily lift it out of the wedge. This property also allowed the team to hand wash the pan with minimal effort. In order to protect the non-stick finish, our team suggests avoiding the dishwasher, non-stick cooking sprays, and exposing it to extremely high temperatures above 450 degrees Fahrenheit. In addition, it is coated with Americoat, a silicone that is PTFE, PFOA, and BPA free, meaning that it is non-toxic and safe for the mouth. This pan is exactly 9 by 1/2 inches deep and has the capacity to hold 5 cups, enough for a standard pumpkin or an apple pie recipe. In addition, upon making this video, it offers a lifetime warranty, providing good after-sale service. Overall, our team in the kitchen concluded that it is indeed a worthwhile purchase. It works exactly as it should and is fairly priced, making it a great addition to the kitchen. The pie dish coming in at number 2 on our list is the Emile Henry 9-inch pie dish. If presentation matters a lot to you and you want a pie plate that comes in a wide variety of color options, this plate may be just the right fit for you. Emile Henry is known for its high quality ceramic cookware made out of all natural materials. This plate is also made out of high-fired burgundy clay using Emile Henry ceramic. This gives the plate its superior heat retention and even heat distribution properties, keeping the food hot for extended periods. During our team's testing phase, the plate proved to bake more evenly than other ceramic plates our team has tried. It has the ability to transfer heat gently for smooth custard fillings and jammy, evenly browned fruit pies. The team likes to highlight its slightly wavy rim that helps guide the crust crimping while it avoids getting in the way of other designs, unlike some dramatically rippled rims do. This pan can be transferred from freezer to oven, unlike its glass counterparts. It also has the ability to withstand baking under the broiler, which you may want to do to quickly toast a meringue pie. It's extremely durable and highly resistant to scratches, perfect for everyday use. In addition, it can also withstand temperatures up to 520 degrees Fahrenheit. Our team at In the Kitchen concludes that if you don't mind spending a bit more and can judge your pie's readiness without seeing the bottom browning, this would prove to be a great choice. Since Emile Henry is undoubtedly a good cookware brand, it is just a bit more expensive than the others on the list. However, quality and performance-wise, it definitely delivers, making the number 2 spot. And finally, we have the number 1 pie dish on our list, the Pyrex Easy Grab Glass Pie Plate. These are the best-selling pie plates available on Amazon. It garnered a 4.8 star rating and earned the Amazon's Choice badge. Included in the package are 2 pieces of Easy Grab pie plates. Our team would like to highlight its depth and width, making its 9.5 size pie plates ideal for most recipes. Its particularly wide Easy Grab rims allow the team to pull it out of the oven without our oven mitts getting caught in the pie. In addition, the rim's design also serves as a guide for making flustered crusts, perfect for the artistic detail. The pie is composed of high-quality tempered glass, making it extremely durable. This quality makes it dishwasher, freezer, microwave, and pre-oven safe. Our team at In the Kitchen tested its tempered Pyrex glass performance by placing it in a preheated oven, and it heats evenly with consistent results. It also performed brilliantly for no-bake and freezer pies. In addition, its non-porous glass feature will not absorb any food odors or stains, in which our team found the plate very easy to use. Upon making this video, it also offered a 2-year limited warranty, providing great after-sales customer service. Overall, our team highly recommends this product to anyone who wants to have a great baking experience. It is durable, versatile, convenient to touch, and built to last. Given its remarkable qualities, it is also inexpensive, all the while offering a 2-year limited warranty. Our team at In the Kitchen considers this plate to have all the makings of a perfect pie dish, which is why we rank this product at number 1 on our list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 pie dishes which got our team In the Kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next pie dish roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below, and we will be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.